Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sales strategies with QuickBooks, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize sales strategies with QuickBooks, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the software installed. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard to understand its key features and navigation options. Set up your company profile with accurate business information. Configure the chart of accounts to reflect your revenue streams, expenses, and other financial categories. Integrate your sales channels, such as e-commerce platforms and payment processors, with QuickBooks. Regularly update your item lists for products or services to ensure accurate tracking. Utilize QuickBooks sales tracking features to monitor sales performance and identify trends. Generate customizable sales reports to analyze data, track progress, and uncover growth opportunities. Set sales goals based on historical data and market research. Implement QuickBooks customer relationship management tools to nurture client relationships. Utilize invoicing features to automate billing and improve cash flow. Monitor accounts receivable regularly to ensure timely payments from clients. Leverage QuickBooks forecasting tools to predict future sales and adjust. Test different pricing strategies within the platform to find the most effective approach for your offerings. Use QuickBooks to analyze customer purchase patterns and tailor marketing efforts towards high-value clients. Regularly review your sales data and make adjustments to your strategies based on performance insights. Stay updated on QuickBooks features and upgrades that can further enhance your sales strategy. Engage with support resources, including tutorials and customer service, for any specific questions or challenges. Implement these steps consistently to optimize your sales strategies effectively with QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.